Here is a head-to-head comparison of half-wave dipole antenna and full-wave loop antenna, both working on third harmonic, the odd harmonic principle on 15 meter. This clip was recorded on 15 meter with inverted V half-wave dipole antenna connected with RG58 coax and common mode choke at radio end. Auto tuner in FT710 has been used to tune to SWR 1:1. Noise seen on the waterfall and in the audio are due to an inverter running in the room adjacent to the terrace on which the antenna is mounted. This video clip is on the same frequency without any change in audio or RF gain settings. Instead of dipole, 40 meter full-wave loop antenna has been connected with a ladder line and 4:1 transformer. The same common mode choke is there at radio end in both cases. Maximum height of both antennas are the same, being on the same mast. Marked difference in the noise signal on the waterfall and audio are evident with full wave loop.